So I've got another event to go to, and I need to make a gift. So I'm going to make this gift out of scrap wood. I'm busy with a project, and I've got these offcut sticks. These are all Kiaat wood. And I'm going to make a coat rack or a towel rack. So follow along and I'll show you how I made it.
So the first stop is at the router table. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting on a 45-degree chamfer on just two edges of the face of these sticks. The sticks, by the way, is about 20 millimeters wide and about 12 millimeters thick. And then the ends, which you'll see a little bit later, is about 20 millimeters wide and 20 millimeters thick as well. And at the miter saw, I'm just going to cut these sticks into pieces about 150 millimeters in length. Now I know I want to make this about 400 millimeters wide, but I don't know how many sticks will fit into that space. So I'm just laying out the sticks to get my mark so I can cut this up straight.
So I want these two to be on the exact same position on either side. So I'm just going to make a mark first on one. It doesn't need to be precise, but they need to match. So we've got that.
You'll notice that these sticks are a little bit fatter, about 20 millimeters thick. This is so that we can cover up that plywood edge of the substrate on the sides. Now I'm just drilling the mounting holes. This is going to go into walls, so I'm just drilling some holes and countersinking it. I'm just adding some glue. Now I'm just spacing the sticks, making it random so that I don't have to fight with an edge. Do it as you feel it looks good. Here I turn it over and then I just put in some 15 millimeter brad nails. These are just going to act as clamps until the glue has set. Now I'm adding those thicker edge pieces to cover up the plywood. These I'm not going to nail in, I'm just going to clamp them. I'm a firm believer of cleaning up the squeeze out as soon as you can with some water. It just saves you a lot of effort later on. I got these hooks from the local hardware store. They're relatively inexpensive. I'm just drawing a line from the one mounting hole to the other so that the hooks can line up. Now I'm positioning the hooks on the line so that I can mark the holes. I always use an awl or a center punch just to mark the holes so that the drill bit doesn't wander. Using a 3mm bit, I just drill the pilot holes. Some quick sanding through the grits to about 180 grit. And with some hand sanding we clean up the grooves. And then we break all the edges, all the sharp corners of all the sticks. In retrospect, it would have been better to sand this before I cut the sticks into pieces. And so I finish it off with a couple of coats of clear lacquer. It dries quickly and it's easy to apply. So a trick I've learned after breaking many brass screws is to use some sort of wax. Here I'm using some beeswax, just coating the screws in that before I put it into the wood. You'll notice that I stop before the screw is fully seated and I finish it with the hand screwdriver. I just don't want to break the screws off at this point in time. At this point in the video, I would humbly ask you to give this video a like if you indeed liked it, and if you can subscribe, it'll help grow the channel. Also, if you think you would have done something differently, I would love to hear from you in the comments. I truly thank you for watching. Goodbye.